Are you having engine problems and you see your engine light come on? Or this icon right here and it says in the display, change your engine oil. I'm Javier Armenta and today I will tell you how to change your car oil. You have different types of engine, from your sporty type to your exotics and to your American muscle. All these engines have different types of oil and oil filters that are used for these specific types of engines. There are many different types of oil brands, going from Pennzoil, Mobil 1, Quaker, or Formula 1, just depending on which oil parts store you are more available to. Here are some more engine oils from popular mechanics that they use as Valvoline, Conco, Shell, and etc. When you're searching for your type of engine oil, it will tell you on the engine cap in your engine bay. For example, I have a Dodge and mine tells me that it uses 5W20. And you're wondering what the W stands for. I have wondered for many years myself. The W in a motor oil can stands for winter. Why? It's because depending on the circumstances, the thicker oil can be used to help fill in wear gaps that has developed over the years in your engine. The tools that you will be needing to change your engine oil would be an oil filter wrench, just depending on which one you have or can buy, just depending on where you live and the oil parts store that they are available to you. Also, most important, your oil and your oil filter. And then you will also need an oil can like this right here and a wrench or a socket to pull out your oil drain plug from right here. Now the steps. First and foremost, if you cannot get under your car safely and without any hazards, use a jack stand to help lift up your car, just for easier access. Once you have done that, you are now able to locate the oil drain plug, which will be on the south side of the oil pan in your engine. This would be most likely located by your drive axle or by your tire, just depending on what car you have. Once you have done that and you have taken out the oil drain plug, you will drain your oil into the oil container. Draining oil will take a minute or two, just depending on how big your oil pan is. Once the oil is drained, put your plug back in and locate your oil filter. More than 50% of the time, your oil filter will be beside the oil plug or right directly in front of it. Once you have located it, it's now time to remove the oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench or socket that you have. Once you have taken out the old oil filter, replace it with the new one. Make sure it's nice and tight, just so any oil won't escape the engine oil bin. Once you have done that, now it's time to fill your engine with new oil. It just depending on the engine, like I said before, just depending on how big your engine oil is, it takes up to 5 or 6 liters, or even 7 liters of oil. Once that's full, you recap it, cap it, and then put it out to a flat surface so that the oil can level out. Once that has been done, you can now check for your oil dipstick. This will tell you the level of oil and how much, if you need any more oil to be put in the engine. Once you have done that, you have now changed your oil.
No, you said that's during your saying that.